Hi guys, Timothy Brusky. In the kitchen today, I am going to show you how to make a baked garlic Parmesan chicken along with cilantro lime rice. And this ingredient is very easy to make and the family will love it, and it's very simple and you won't have to be slaving in the kitchen all day to make it. Got very simple ingredients for the main course, and then we have a side of the rice. So let's get going and I will show you what you will need. You will need 6 boneless, skinless chicken. You can buy them pre-cut and pre-skinned. As I found out, you still need to cut off some of the excess fat on them. So you need 6 boneless, skinless breast chicken. Next, you will need sunflower oil, garlic, minced, breadcrumbs. I crushed and made my own breadcrumbs at home. It's very easy to make. Parmesan cheese, basil, and Mr. Black Pepper Man. And I also will show you when we get to that point of the rice. First, you want to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Next, you will need a baking sheet, which I already pre-did. What you want to do with your baking sheet is, first you want to spray a nice evenly light coat of cooking spray, then lay some parchment paper, then lay some more cooking spray on top of it. Why I put parchment paper on is I don't want to clean up a cookie sheet after it's been out of the oven for a long period. It does help not clean up, but you still have to clean the cookie sheet, of course. In a bowl, right here, we are going to add in the sunflower oil and the garlic, and then in a different bowl we're going to add in the breadcrumbs, which I already did. I just put them in there. And then we are going to add in the Parmesan cheese, your basil, and a pinch of a little black pepper. Don't need a lot, maybe about half a teaspoon or teaspoon or so. Next, you want to mix this up because it is going to be combined into the chicken breast. Don't have to be all fancy here, just get it mixed as much as you can. Next, what you want to do is grab your chicken breast and lay it into the oil. Then next, we're going to add it into the breadcrumbs, like so. And then we're going to add it to the cookie sheet. Parmesan on top of the chicken. Just a little dab, we don't need a lot. You will find this is going to be a very healthy meal for your family to make. And it's very easy, and there is no way that you can mess this up. You might add the wrong ingredients to the wrong bowl, but in the end, it will come out the way it's supposed to come out. And now we're going to put it in the oven for 30 minutes at your preheated oven at 350. You will know when the chicken breasts are done when it is no longer pink and it is a clear, juicy liquid running out of the chicken. So we're going to throw it in the oven and we will check on it in about 30 minutes. And then we're going to start on the cilantro lime rice right after we throw them in the oven. Rice. I got a induction cooktop. It cooks very quick and it will start immediately. What you want to do first is get your water up to room temperature. Add in about a cup and a half to a medium boil. And then you want to add in your rice, your salt, ground fresh cilantro, lemon juice, sunflower oil, and garlic. So it won't take that long to get this up to room to a boil. On a conventional oven, probably 5 or 10 minutes. This one will be, it's already boiling as we speak. That's how fast these induction cooktops are. I like them. I love them very much. You can see the steam rolling off already. That's how wonderful these are. And they're very easy to find. You can find them on Amazon. Any appliance place would carry these. As I am beginning to see bubbles in the water already. So we are almost there already. With just a few minutes. I just wanted to go on record and say thank you very much for all your support. It really means a lot to Timothy in the kitchen. As I try to make new recipes and try to communicate with all of you on all the social media networks, I just have to say I have begun to become familiar with all you people. I enjoy all our communications, and it's just a blast. Now we are up to a boil now. We're going to add in our rice. And now we want to mix it up just a little bit, and then we want to put it at a simmer. Not until we add the salt. Because you can't add the salt later. You have to add it with the rice now. So now we're going to put it on a simmer. And we want to cover the lid. And we will know when it's done when all the water has evaporated from the rice. And it won't take that long. Probably 16 to 18 minutes. So I will check on it in a little bit here. With just a few more minutes left remaining, we are going to add in the bowl our freshly cilantro. You can use a blender to do this. Next, we're going to add in lime juice, freshly lime juice. That smells good already. A little bit of sunflower oil, not much, just to give it a little dousing. And our garlic. Garlic goes with a lot of good things. And when we get this combined, we can add this to our wonderful rice that's been simmering on low for 16 to 18 minutes. Let's check on our rice. Wow, doesn't that look amazing? All the water is absorbed. So now we can add in our ingredients in the bowl. And then we can mix it up together. That's just going to go good with the chicken. Yummy in the tummy. So mix it with a fork. Just stir it up and fluff it from bottom to top. Cilantro goes good with lots of things. So now we got that all stirred up. We're going to add it to our little plate. Doesn't that look great? Nice and clear juice is what we're looking for. Let's grab one and put it on our master plate. Always have tongs with you because it is hot. This looks so amazing. Let's cut the chicken and see what we're up against here. Oh my Lord, look at that. That looks so great. It's so amazing. I think I'm going to have a little piece here. A little hot, just came out of the oven. Chicken is awesome. And the cilantro, lime, and oil and garlic in the rice, it just tastes amazing. Thank you guys for coming by and watching Timothy in the Kitchen today. You will find many ingredients on our website at timothyinthekitchen.com. And thank you very much for stopping by. Have a great day. Bye. This is some